Hello guys, and welcome back for Saturday's Clean With Me. So this is actually going to be changing the sheets, laundry, sweeping and cleaning outside, and vacuuming today. Here I've just included a full view of my cleaning schedule that I've created. So it has Monday through Saturday, a daily schedule, and then monthly, 3 to 4 months, 5 to 6, and then yearly. Feel free to just pause this and just look back at the different sections. I'm not going to actually be showing cleaning the outside. I know it's cleaning outside and sweeping, but because they're still not done with the construction outside, and I really didn't want to be in their way. They were working, and yeah, it was on the weekend, and they actually worked Saturday and Sunday a full day, so I definitely did not want to get in their way. So I'm not going to be showing cleaning the outside in this video. And I did laundry, but my laundry room is outside, so I didn't film that because they were using my carport as like their station where they were cutting wood and where they had a bunch of equipment and stuff. So I didn't want to be rude and like, I'm sorry, can you move that so I can set up my camera? So I just was trying to just stay out of their way as much as possible. So I didn't show me actually washing the laundry. So that will be in my next Saturday's video. I promise I will include that in there for y'all to see. But so I'm just trying to make my bed up. It's been a lot colder lately, and it really doesn't get that cold here. But I just decided to put, I guess they're flannel. Yeah, I guess that's what you would call it. So I guess I just decided to put these flannel sheets on, which was probably a bad idea because I turn into a furnace whenever I sleep. So I burn up every night now. I'm just making the bed and just trying to put my room together, and it's actually been okay right now. You can see on my side of the bed that it's a lot higher up because I have one of those memory foam inserts, and my husband doesn't like, I guess, the softness. He wants a harder bed. So that's why the mattress is kind of like in between. It is a pillow top mattress, but I think it's like a little bit harder. And I don't know if it's just because I'm so thin and my bones just ache whenever I'm sleeping just on the flat mattress. So I sleep on my side a lot, so my shoulder will be killing me in the morning. So that's why I decided that I needed to get one of those memory foam mattress toppers. And it's actually worked pretty well. I think when we actually get enough money built up, because we're really wanting a new couch, but when we actually have money that we're not trying to save, I think we're probably going to invest in a new mattress. Y'all, I am loving my boots right now. They are so cozy. I'm not even really sure where I got these from. I don't even remember. I've had them so long. I've had them for like 15 years, and they're so cute. My husband hates them, but I love them. They just look adorable, and I'm pretty sure I got them in the kids section, but you know, don't judge me. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. I know it was really short, but that's kind of the idea, is that if I work slowly at cleaning my house during the week, that I won't have as much to do on the weekends. And I did do 2 loads of laundry this day, and I know I didn't show putting the laundry up either, but I will show y'all that in my next Saturday's video. I promise. I promise I will include that part in there. So thank y'all again for watching, and I hope to see y'all next time.